Let's add a logic app to get notified if pipeline succeeds or fails. Search here logic app, logic, logic apps, click on add. Now here there are some options in hosting plans, consumption and standard. For this project, we will use a consumption multi-tenant. That means Microsoft manages the infrastructure and we only pay when the workflow runs. It's serverless, auto-scales and is perfect for demos or small projects. But the trade-off is that it has fewer networking and performance guarantees compared to the standard plan, this plan here. And in the standard, we can choose a workflow service plan for dedicated compute. You can see the compute is dedicated. App service environment for fully isolated and private deployment. And a hybrid plan to securely connect on-premises and cloud resources. So click on select and select the resource group, and that is Azure UAE North RG. Now give the logic app name, and that will be Azure UAE North Logic, and region will be UAE North. Log Analytics next, and next. Click on create. Now in the next part we will configure logic app to get notified if pipeline succeeds or fails.